What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Right now, I am at my guy's shop, getting some work done. He's about to rotate my tires for me, make sure they balance right, and put some more lug nuts on it for me. So that's what I'm doing today. Networking with my people in the community. Man, you know what? I like dealing with small businesses, man, especially when we networking, because when you network with someone who actually spend money, they understand the value of what it takes to actually get what you're trying to do off the ground. And, we understand that surely you want to take a shortcut, but there really isn't none. You know what I mean? You just got to pay for what you want, or network, or barter, or trade, or whatever the situation is. But, I feel like, we have to think outside of the box in that way and not be so critical to network with another company. You know what I mean? Network with someone else that's trying to do something that, same thing you're trying to do, or or even more than you're trying to do. You know what I mean? But let them do their thing, man. Don't knock them. You know what I mean? I like to network with my people. I actually get better deals because I spend money with them. I help feed their families, and they do the same thing to me. You know what I mean? They give me deals so I can save money to feed my family. So I mean, it's a give and a take. It's just what it is. But in the long run, though, I feel like we can get a long ways if we network with people who actually want to see you do better. You know what I mean? So when you think like that, you can't lose. HogOn.